Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data, and in this video you'll learn about changing attribution models in Google Ads. Every conversion that has been configured inside Google Ads or imported from Google Analytics allows you to select an attribution model. This lets you control how credit is given to your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords when someone converts. For example, if someone clicks on two of your ads using two different keywords, you can choose which of these receives the credit for the conversion. Let's get started and look at how we can change the attribution model for our conversions in Google Ads. Let's start by checking the attribution model that is used for an existing conversion inside Google Ads. So let's head to our Google Ads account. We need to select Tools and Settings and then Conversions. Now we just need to click the name of the conversion action we want to check. At the bottom of the settings you can see that this conversion is using the last click attribution model. This means that all of the credit for a conversion will go to the final click on your ad before the conversion occurred. When it comes to attribution for our conversions inside Google Ads, it's important to highlight that this is about how credit is given based on people clicking your ads multiple times. This doesn't take into account clicks on your other marketing channels. It's 100% focused on your Google Ads campaigns. So if someone performed a search, clicked your ad, then performed another search, clicked another one of your ads, and then converted on your website, the attribution model you choose assigns credit for the conversion based on the keywords, ad groups, and campaigns for those clicks on your ads. There are 6 different attribution models you can use for your Google Ads conversions. These are last click, where all of the credit for the conversion goes to the final keyword, ad group, and campaign that someone engaged with. Then there is first click, where all of the credit goes to the first keyword, ad group, and campaign. Linear, which evenly divides the credit for the conversion between multiple clicks. Time decay, that gives credit to the final click, but continues to give credit to the preceding clicks. Position-based, where 40% of the credit is given to the last click, 40% to the first click, and the remaining 20% is evenly divided between the other clicks on your ads. And if you have at least 15,000 clicks and 600 conversions within the last 30 days, you can also choose to use the Data-Driven Attribution model. This model uses Google's machine learning to decide how much credit should be assigned to each click. When you're ready to move beyond last click attribution, I recommend using the data-driven model. Or if you don't have enough clicks and conversions, then time decay is a really good model to use. If you want to learn more about the attribution you can use with Google Ads and Google Analytics, then watch my video on attribution modeling. You can find a link to the video in the description below. Okay, now let's head back into our Google Ads account to change the model. We're still looking at the same conversion action, so we just need to click Edit Settings. And we can then select Attribution Model, and we can see that we can change the model used for this conversion. We can select from all the models we just covered, and in this account we can see we don't have enough clicks or conversions to use the data-driven model. So instead I'm going to select Time Decay, then I can click Save and Done. That's it, we've changed the attribution model for our conversion. You can follow the same steps we've covered for any other conversions you've configured inside Google Ads. And this includes goals and transactions that you've imported from Google Analytics. I also want to highlight that attribution is only applied to campaigns targeting the search network and shopping campaigns on Google.com. I recommend taking a moment to explore the attribution reports inside your Google Ads account. You can find these by selecting Tools and Settings and then Search Attribution under Measurement. And if you're just getting started with Google Ads, then watch my video on how to get started and how to track conversions. You'll find links to these videos and more in the description below. What attribution models are you using in Google Ads? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, then please like it so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.